I just seen a video of someone filling a Zippo, and to me that's the wrong way to fill it. I'm going to show you guys what they did, and just in case if you think that's the right way to do it, I guess I'll show you the right way to fill a Zippo. So see, there's fluid in there. See, now it just got all over the place. Let's see if it lights without lighting my fingers on fire. It's not sparking very well because the flint is soaking wet. I don't know how he got it to light, but just in case you don't know, that is not the right way to fill a Zippo with fluid. So it does light, but everything's on fire. The lid's on fire, so now it's hot to the touch. Alright, and there's fluid everywhere. You can see the puddle of fluid there. That's not at all the right way to fill a Zippo. I have this fake Zippo. Now how I fill it is, I fill it up, and then when it just comes over the top, or it just comes over the rayon, I stop and it sinks back down, and to me that's full. You don't want to fill it up too much because same thing will happen with that one. It just won't light and it won't work very well. And this is the right way in how to fill a Zippo or a Zippo type lighter, because this isn't a Zippo. Thanks for watching.